Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. In today's video tip, I'm going to show you a fast and easy coastal navigation technique called the Rule of 60 you can use to pass a shoal ahead of your sailboat at a desired distance. First, determine the safe side to the left or right of the danger on which you desire to pass. In this illustration, we have a shoal ahead and we want to pass to the right side of the danger to take advantage of the west wind. That way the wind will help keep us off the shoal. Next, we determine we want to stay at least 2 miles off this shoal. In the calculation, we will call this the distance off. We measure the distance from our present position to the shoal. The distance to the shoal is 10 miles. In the calculation, we will call this the distance ahead. Next, multiply 60 times the distance off. 60 times 2 is 120. In the final step, we divide 120 by the distance ahead. 120 divided by 10 equals 12, which is the number of degrees we need to change course. Because we want to stay to the right of the shoal, we add 12 degrees to our current course of 000 degrees magnetic. We change course to 012 degrees magnetic to pass the shoal at our desired distance of 2 nautical miles. You can also use the rule of 60 to pass to the left of a shoal ahead. In that case, you would subtract the result from your current course to find the course to steer. Now you know a fast and easy way to pass a shoal ahead of your sailboat in safety. Use easy sailing navigation tips like these for safer sailing on the waters of the world. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.